Imagine you are walking down the street on a sunny afternoon. Everything feels normal. But suddenly, in the blink of an eye, everything stops. Not time, but the Earth itself. Right now, you are spinning around the Earth's axis at nearly 1,000 miles per hour, depending on where you live. You don't feel it because everything around you, the atmosphere, the oceans, the buildings, is moving at the same speed. But if the Earth slammed on the brakes instantly, the results wouldn't just be catastrophic. They would be absolute annihilation. It comes down to one simple law of physics: inertia. Just like a passenger flies forward when a car crashes, everything on Earth would keep moving. If you are at the equator, you would be launched eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's twice the speed of a jetliner. You, your house, the trees, and even the rocks would be scrubbed off the surface instantly. And it's not just solid objects. The atmosphere would keep moving too. This would create supersonic winds, faster than the blast of an atomic bomb, scouring the planet clean. Anything that wasn't bedrock would be obliterated in seconds. Then comes the water. The momentum would cause the Earth's oceans to continue moving east. We are talking about miles-high tsunamis crashing deep into the continents. Coastal cities? Gone instantly. The water would sweep inland with such force that it would reshape the map of the world within minutes. But let's say the Earth didn't stop instantly. Let's say it slowed down gradually over a few years. Would we survive then? Well, not exactly. Currently, the Earth creates a bulge at the equator because of its spin. It's not a perfect sphere, but without spin, gravity would take over. The Earth would pull itself into a perfect ball. This means the oceans would migrate away from the equator and flood the North and South poles. The result? A massive, dry supercontinent circling the equator and two giant polar oceans drowning Europe, Canada, and Russia. The layout of our entire planet would change forever. If the Earth stops spinning but keeps orbiting the Sun, the concept of a day changes completely. One day would equal 1 year. You would face 6 months of scorching, unceasing sunlight, heating the surface to temperatures that would boil water. Then, you would face 6 months of absolute freezing darkness. The only habitable zone would be a thin strip of twilight between the light and dark sides, where humanity would be forced to hunt for scraps of food in the eternal dusk. Finally, without rotation, the Earth's core would likely stop generating our magnetic field. This field is our shield against deadly cosmic radiation. Without it, the Sun would strip away our atmosphere, and radiation would rain down, destroying any DNA left on the surface. So, the next time you watch the sunset, be thankful that the world keeps turning, because if it stopped, it wouldn't be just a bad day. It would be our last day. What scenario should we explore next? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more what-if scenarios.